Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can speed up a video in Canva. So I have this video of a Siberian Husky dog running, and as you can see, this video is captured in a slow motion camera, and that's why everything looks slower. But in reality, of course, this dog is not slow at all. And you can change the speed of the video by speeding up the video, so basically it will look normal. And here's how you can do it. First, I do recommend to open the timeline view, so you can click timeline view and then you can click the duration, so you kind of get an idea about how long the footage really is. In this example, it was 25 seconds, about 25 seconds. And I'm going to speed up this video so the dog will run normally. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click or select this video and click playback. And after that, you want to increase the speed of the video. By default, the normal speed of the video is 1, and you can speed it up to twice the original speed of the video. So when you play it back, you see that the dog is actually almost normal. It's still slow a little bit, but it is much closer to normal than before. And as you can see, the video duration is actually chopped in half. Now it's around 13.2 seconds, while originally it was around 25-26 seconds. So yeah, this method is very useful if you want to speed up a slow motion footage. So anyway, that's how you can do it, and I hope you found this video helpful.